Fuengirola is a famous pretty Spanish resort town. Here, white beautiful beaches coexist, with numerous hotels, bars, restaurants, and shops. Los Boliches is the place where you can meet the sea and let yourself be caressed by its light breeze. It is the link between the city and the Mediterranean. This is one of the most visited promenades of Fuengirola in Spain, where all the tourists have a pleasant stroll, enjoy the gastronomy, bars and shops that are here. Fuengirola also has a sports port, where more than 200 anchorages are at the disposal of tourists. Fifth Avenue is a street in the very center of Manhattan, which is also a bright symbol of New York. Fifth Avenue is one of the most famous streets in the world. It is located in Manhattan. Here you can find not only exclusive boutiques of world-famous brands, and there are plenty of them, but also many museums and architectural sites. In terms of its significance in the life of the city, this New York Avenue can be compared with the Champs-Élysées in Paris and Oxford Street in London. The town of Ubud in Bali is a special place, a special atmosphere, a special culture. This is the true heart of the island, authentic and pulsating. Among the jungle-covered gorges and green foothills is Ubud, the ancient center of the handicraft and spiritual life of Bali. This city no longer looks like a peaceful village where hippies aspire to. Now the industry of a healthy lifestyle is actively developing here. There are many yoga and meditation centers, cafes for vegans and raw foodists. Everyone here finds something special for themselves. Ancient temples and mystical places, excellent hotels and spas, gourmet restaurants with Balinese dances, leisurely walks through rice fields, and bike rides. On this tour, we will pass through the famous street markets of Sham Shui Po. This is the perfect place to experience local life in Hong Kong. Sham Shui Po is a region of simple pleasures. It is full of exciting entertainment that you will not find anywhere else in Hong Kong, and at the same time you do not have to pay a lot for them. Instead of gleaming, glass-clad skyscrapers, you get modest buildings with a rich history behind their facades. If you feel like doing a bit of shopping, get ready to spend a few hours wandering among the assorted goods displayed on the street market stalls. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.